The upcoming 2026 Nissan Altima is expected to arrive with a striking new design language that blends elegance with sportiness. Based on early reports and industry speculation, the Altima is likely to showcase sharper lines, a sleeker silhouette, and a bolder grille that enhances its premium appeal. Nissan has been gradually pushing its mid-size saloon towards a more refined, luxury-inspired look, and the 2026 model seems poised to continue that evolution with a more futuristic edge. In terms of technology, the 2026 Altima is anticipated to feature Nissan's latest infotainment system with a larger, high-resolution display, improved connectivity, and advanced driver assistance features. Intelligent mobility is expected to play a central role, offering semi-autonomous driving functions, adaptive cruise control, and enhanced lane-keeping capabilities. These upgrades would position the Altima as a forward-thinking option for families and professionals who value both comfort and innovation. Under the bonnet, reports suggest that the 2026 model may continue offering a mix of efficient petrol engines while introducing hybrid or mild hybrid options to meet increasing demand for greener alternatives. Nissan has already made strong moves in electrification, and extending these technologies into the Altima could make it a standout choice in its segment. Efficiency, smooth performance, and lower emissions are likely to be key priorities. The interior is expected to receive a major refresh, with more premium materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout. Comfort will remain central, with spacious seating and advanced climate controls designed to make long journeys effortless. Noise reduction technology and refined cabin acoustics could also enhance the premium driving experience, ensuring that the Altima feels as sophisticated inside as it looks from the outside. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Altima is shaping up to be an exciting step forward for the brand, blending Japanese reliability with cutting-edge design and technology. It is likely to appeal to drivers who want a balance of style, efficiency, and innovation without compromising on practicality. If the rumors prove true, Nissan's mid-size saloon could be one of the most compelling cars in its class for 2026.